Hello everyone, we will explain the benefits of using Hyundai Genuine windshields and highlight the dangers of using non-genuine ones.
The windshield is one of your vehicle's most important safety devices, and technically it works in conjunction with the seatbelt and airbag system. It deflects the passenger airbag during a collision and supports the roof during a rollover, providing structural integrity that reduces the risk of roof caving in. Recently, we compared the quality of windshields which are commonly available in the market, supplied by local manufacturers and manufacturing hubs like China and Taiwan, etc., with Hyundai Genuine windshields by performing multiple quality tests. The results of the visibility test, optic test and load test of these windshields were shocking. In the event of an accident, these non-genuine windshields will shatter or displace, injuring or failing to provide any protective barrier to the passengers, leaving you and your loved ones with major safety threats.
Now that you and me understand how the windshield is the second most important safety device after seatbelt, let's pledge to use only genuine windshield for our Hyundai. Think about it, the key to safety is in your hands. Use only Hyundai Genuine parts.